Alright guys, welcome back. Here's what we're doing. It is time to install our pedal and our brand new slave cylinder. It's very important that you have this white piece because it clicks into the pedal like that. Well, obviously through the square hole. So there's some debate here on the thickness of the actual cylinder here, and the reason there's debate, well, can it push a heavy-duty clutch, which I have a stock clutch, but a lot of guys are saying I need a bigger unit. So a budget-friendly way, which is my way, it's always a budget-friendly way, is to find another one that can fit into the square. So it's gonna be really hard to see, but these, it's not a complete square, they're cut a certain way. Let me show you here. Can you tell that it's actually cut a certain way? So if you have a heavy-duty clutch that you want to put into your 1500, here is another unit right here. This is a similar board to the one that I have, actually same slave cylinder, master cylinder. Here's another one. This right here is a Dodge one, okay, like a Dodge 1500, and you can tell that they use the same square. You may need to trim it a little bit, but it's pretty much the same. So what I'm saying is they both work the same way, but this one is thinner. Let's put these aside over here. Let's get down to real business, okay? This particular one is a Dodge one, but can you tell it has the same square, okay? And it's a much stouter unit where you can actually bolt this to your chassis. This right here is thicker, bigger. This is like a 3/4 versus this small one right here. Can you guys tell the difference? Anyway, this can be easily modified to put into the Silverado if you have a bigger clutch, master cylinder. So this is a Chevy 3500 diesel, a Dodge 2500 and 3500 diesel as well. So this can actually work, and it can actually work really well. So when we put it in here, guys, it fits and it locks. Do you see that? It actually locked in, and it's a bigger unit. So this is proof right here, very important. So anyway, the second thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing this steering console right here. This console is out of a 04, has a good button over here for your flashers, and it is a manual console. It has the correct bezel here. So that's something else we're going to be installing in this truck. Anyway, the swap is going good. This is a this is a 1999 GMC Sierra with a 350Z transmission, which has the Collins adapter. It's going to be in the full video. Also, one other thing, this is a AN3 fitting to replace the quick connect here that was to the AM4, which this is a great line right here. It's just not what I like. So I like being able to bolt on the 3AM fitting, which uses, actually, I stole the line off of the Del Sol that had the K20 that's sitting on the other lift. Okay,